Good evening, guys. My name is David Banks, and this is my JSON example for CIT 360. So just to give a little bit of background about JSON, JSON is based on JavaScript language. In fact, it's identical to the JavaScript language, but is independent of any one particular language. So it can actually be executed from JavaScript. It could be executed from within HTML using JavaScript, and it can also be utilized in any number of programming languages, including Java. So today I've got an example about just a simple example about serialization, and so we'll go through it real fast. I have my HTML document, which is where I've embedded my JSON example inside of the JavaScript function. So I created my function called JSON underscore example underscore one. My variable I've created are the results that I'm going to pull from my JSON file, which is right here. I'll go over that in just a minute. Then I go down and I get the actual file, meaning I request access to it, so I can actually pull the data from the JSON example one.json file. And then it goes through and it performs this function, and it pulls the data from the JSON file down here. So as you can see, I've got three different categories. We got actor, their name, then where they're from. So Daniel Craig is from the UK, and then what movie they've recently starred in. So if we go back over here, we see this loop follows that pattern exactly. So we pull the results from the data object actor, which is right here. Actor. And then next we concatenate that with from, or where they're from, which is the UK in this case, or California or Massachusetts, depending on the actor. And then the last one is data object movie, so what movie they've recently been in. So when this is all done correctly, it should display the information from the JSON file right here in this order. So I haven't had a chance to be able to get that working yet. It's still a work in progress, but that is the ultimate goal. So I'll keep on working on that, but I just want to share an update with where I'm at. So thanks. Have a good night.